In the world of project management, spreadsheets, particularly Microsoft Excel, have long been the go-to tool for everything from simple task lists to complex budget tracking. They're ubiquitous, flexible, and most people have at least a basic understanding of how to use them. However, as projects grow in complexity, involve more team members, or demand real-time collaboration, the limitations of Excel often become apparent. This is where dedicated work management platforms like Smartsheet shine. A very common question that arises for those looking to transition from their familiar spreadsheets is, can I upload Excel to Smartsheet? As a project management expert, I can confidently state, yes, you absolutely can upload Excel files to Smartsheet, and this capability is a cornerstone of Smartsheet's design to facilitate smooth transitions and integrated workflows. Smartsheet understands that businesses don't operate in a vacuum and often have a trove of existing data in spreadsheets. Its ability to import Excel data is a crucial feature that allows users to leverage their existing information while upgrading to a more dynamic, collaborative, and automated environment. Why would you want to upload Excel to Smartsheet? Before diving into the how, let's quickly touch upon the why. Excel is great for data entry and calculation, but it struggles with real-time collaboration. Simultaneous editing often leads to version control issues and accidental overwrites. Automated workflows. Setting up reminders, approval processes, or triggered actions is cumbersome or impossible. Visibility and reporting. Creating dynamic dashboards and roll-up reports across multiple spreadsheets is challenging. Security and permissions. Granular control over who can see or edit specific data is limited. Scalability. Managing complex projects with hundreds or thousands of rows across many tabs becomes unwieldy. Smartsheet, on the other hand, excels in these areas. By importing your Excel data, you immediately gain the benefits of centralized, cloud-based data, accessible from anywhere, anytime. Enhanced collaboration. Multiple users can work on the same sheet simultaneously without conflicts. Automated actions. Set up rules for notifications, approvals, and data changes. Visual project management. View your data as Gantt charts, Kanban boards, or calendar views. Robust reporting. Create dashboards and reports that pull data from multiple sheets. Improved security. Control user access and permissions at a granular level. The process. How to upload Excel to Smartsheet. Smartsheet makes the import process straightforward. Here's a general overview of the steps involved. Prepare your Excel file. While Smartsheet is quite forgiving, a little preparation can go a long way. Clean data. Ensure your data is organized in a clear, tabular format. Each column should represent a distinct type of information, e.g., task name, start date, assigned to, status, and each row should represent a single record, e.g., a single task. Consistent formatting. Use consistent data types, e.g., all dates are in the same format. No merged cells. Avoid merged cells, as they can cause issues during import. First row as headers. Ensure your first row contains clear column headers. One sheet at a time. Smartsheet imports one Excel worksheet per Smartsheet sheet. If your Excel file has multiple tabs, you'll import them as separate Smartsheet sheets. Navigate to import in Smartsheet. From the Smartsheet homepage, you can often find an import option, or you can go to File, Import within the application. Select Import Microsoft Excel. Choose your Excel file, browse your computer to locate and select the Excel file you wish to upload. Configure import options. Smartsheet will present you with options to guide the import. Select Worksheet. If your Excel file has multiple worksheets, you'll choose which one to import. Header row. Confirm that your first row contains column headers. Smartsheet will often intelligently detect this. Sheet name. Give your new Smartsheet sheet a meaningful name. Initial view. Choose how you want the sheet to initially open: grid, Gantt, card, or calendar. Review and adjust. Once imported, take a moment to review your new Smartsheet sheet. Column types. Smartsheet will try to guess the column type, text/number, date, drop-down, contact list, etc., based on your Excel data. You might need to manually adjust some column types to optimize functionality, e.g., convert a generic text column to a contact list column if it contains team member names, or to a date column if it contains dates that weren't correctly identified. This is crucial for enabling features like automated reminders or proper resource allocation. Hierarchy. If your Excel file used indentation or other methods to denote hierarchy, like parent-child tasks, you might need to manually adjust the hierarchy in Smartsheet by indenting rows. Conditional formatting/formulas. Remember that Excel formulas and complex conditional formatting will not transfer directly as live formulas or formatting. The values will import, but you'll need to recreate Smartsheet's native formulas and conditional formatting rules within Smartsheet. Beyond simple import, connecting with existing data. The ability to upload Excel files isn't just for one-time migrations. Smartsheet also offers functionalities that allow for ongoing interaction with Excel data. Export to Excel. Just as you can import, you can also export any Smartsheet sheet back into an Excel file. This is useful for offline analysis, sharing with stakeholders who prefer Excel, or integrating with other legacy systems. Smartsheet Live Data Connector. For more advanced scenarios where you need to regularly pull Smartsheet data into Excel for complex analysis or reporting, the Live Data Connector, often available on higher tier plans, allows you to establish a direct connection. This means your Excel reports can dynamically refresh with the latest data from Smartsheet. AppSheet, Google Workspace/Power Apps, Microsoft 365. While not direct Excel integration within Smartsheet, if your Excel data is being managed in a cloud environment, like Google Sheets or SharePoint-linked Excel files, you can often build custom apps using tools like AppSheet or Power Apps that connect to Smartsheet, effectively extending your data flow. The project.